morning, Edison Eagles. This is Dr. Lee, your principal, with your Monday morning meeting update with our theme this year, Live Your Adventure. And we are into the month of May. We're in the middle of May, May 15th. And we are done with our habits. You might be learning about a certain habit number 8, which is about finding your voice. But we're going to keep practicing these 7 habits as we finish out the year. So remember, habit number 1, be proactive. Habit number 2, begin with the end in mind. Habit number 3, put first things first. Habit number 4, think win-win. Habit number 5, seek first to understand, then to be understood. Habit number 6, synergize. And habit number 7, sharpen the saw. Let's see, what would be a good way to remember these? Let's see, habit number 1 and 2 both start with a B. Be proactive and begin with the end in mind. And then habit number 3, put first things first. And habit number 4, think win-win, PT. So 2 B's and a PT. And then the last 3 are start with S's. Seek first to understand, synergize, and sharpen the saw. I don't know how you're going to remember these, but find a way, maybe come up with some creative way to remember these. And I look forward to hearing you on Monday morning. All right, our language for this month is the Nahuatl language, spoken by people in Mexico. And how you would say hello is piali. And then how are you? Kenintika. Piali, kenintika. All right, we took a little trip through Arches National Park. It's part of the Big 5 national parks in Utah with all the beautiful red rock. Then we went through Canyonlands and Capitol Reef, which are also on the way back from Utah. And then Bryce Canyon is another one of the Big 5. So let's see, that was Arches, Canyonlands, Capitol Reef. That's 3. Bryce is 4. So next week, you can imagine we're going to hit the 5th one. So what is interesting about Bryce? You can see in the picture here, it is absolutely gorgeous with that red rock. But those tall spires that you see, those are called hoodoos. And it's actually famous for the largest collection of hoodoos, those tall rock spires. And it is that distinctive rock formation in Bryce. So it has the most of those hoodoos in the entire world. It is also home to the horseshoe-shaped amphitheater carved from the eastern edge of it's called Pansagunt Plateau. And it has scenic vistas and the dark night sky. And then what else about the hoodoos? The hoodoos at Bryce Canyon are carved in the Claren Formation. And maybe you want to look that up. What is the Claren Formation? I think it's like that horseshoe. And it's all kinds of different rock that it's carved. So it's limestone, siltstone, dolomite, and mudstone make up the 4 different rock types that form the Claren Formation. And each rock type erodes at different rates. What does erode mean? Something erodes. Think about it. If something erodes, it's usually when water or wind, it kind of shaves away at it. Usually it's rocks or sand or something in the earth formation. And then it's water or wind is causing it to shave away or change its shape. So that's what erodes is. All right, that is it for our Monday morning meeting. Have a great week, Eagles.